everybody, this is CA Kaushik Ganguli with his video of the day today, and today I'm going to be speaking on a very new concept which is on a video CV. How did the concept of video CV come up? It came up during the pandemic when many people were not working, when they had their phones, and many of the candidates were being interviewed online, and they said that yes, why don't you take a video of yourself giving an introduction, and that introduction would actually serve as the basis for your hiring. What are the common mistakes that people do when they make a video CV? One, they go on speaking. Remember that anything more than 3 minutes is going to be detracting from attention. Two, they use a lot of slang, a lot of jargon, they use inappropriate body language. Three, they focus on many aspects of their career which they need not speak, but yet go on talking about, which wastes a lot of time. And four, they do not mind body language. Remember that gauging your body language is something which is all about a video CV. That is often the differentiator between you being rejected, you being hired in a campus interview or a job interview. So what should you do? Be prepared, one, for takes and retakes. Be patient. Two, dress properly. For example, this specs that I had, I have worn this specs specially for a video. This can make the difference between a positive impression and a negative impression. Three, ensure that you give the impression of what you want to say, and therefore you may help to make up the mind as to why you should be recruited, why you should be admitted rather than a competitor. Use a good phone, use a stand, get someone to shoot the video properly. Most of all, edit the video in a proper way, which will serve as a permanent collateral. I hope that was interesting as well as useful. Like, share, comment, subscribe to our channel, and keep those views coming. The countdown to our next video starts now. Thank you.